Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Let's see, what's the day? Tuesday, November 21st. 2 days before Thanksgiving here in the States. And this will probably be my last video for this week. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of time off until sometime next week, as far as the channel goes anyway. But anyway, today, I have been waiting for these to get here. So we are going to be working again on the Traxxas TRX4M High Trail. This booger. This is the one that I screwed up on and only was able to put in half of the suspension kit because I failed to specify. It was my fault. I failed to specify that I needed a kit specifically for the High Trail. Didn't know there was a difference, but apparently there was. Well, anyway, we got parts finally. It only took them forever to get here. I had ordered these the next evening after I put that video together, and it's taken them this long. They got here Monday, the 20th, and I just didn't want to do anything. But yeah, they got here, and so we are going to try our best to get them put on that rig tonight or this evening or however long it takes. And yeah, so let's get started, y'all. Okay, so what we wound up doing is ordering another kit off of Amazon, the Enjoras. Now these are not brass like the half of the kit that's on the truck already. I'll be pulling these off, putting the full kit that's in this bag back on that rig. These are aluminum, although they have brass. They have brass rod ends, let's call them that. But anyway, we're going to put these together and start swapping them out. Get this thing hopefully completely done. And then that'll allow this thing to flex a little better. Now, the only thing I can see so far about these that it's really kind of neat is let me see if I can open them here. Lord of mercy. Here we go. I got bags on top of bags. So let me open this other little bag. And these are, I ordered the black kit. Several different colors that I found online, but I just figured black truck, black links. Good looking stuff. Real good looking stuff. There's the we're not going there. Oh, I got here they are. Let's get one here and take a look. My raggedy camera here. Anyway, in a perfect world, if it was to straighten out, you can see that it has the name on one side here. So this says Enjora. On the other side, it does not. Now, I don't see any offset, so I guess it's your decision whether you want that to the outside or to the inside. I may put it to the inside just because. And then these are also, you know, high clearance. And I'm praying that this specifically said on there, as you can see, Enjora High. So high clearance, you know, whatever. This is what they had with that truck and the red Chevrolet also. Both of those being high trail rigs. So that's what we're going to call them. I'm going to find the other ones that I didn't use on that, get a size comparison, and that way I'll know for sure we got everything we need and everything's correct. Yes, there is a definite size difference between them. This is from the original kit that I ordered. This being one of the new ones here. Let me just try to get them right so you see that end. It's completely right. The difference. Oh yeah, that should put everything back in line like it needs to be. So I'm going to work on getting these things together, start hanging them up under there. So you guys hang out and I'll pick this back up in just a few. Well, that's all the leftover O-rings and a couple of the captured brass pieces. You'd think this company could get their act together. This is like this is 3 kits now I bought, and every time I have, they've had a totally different amount of leftover pieces. Don't know what's up with that. I mean, we got them, but Lord of mercy. All right, so they're on there, and just sitting, you really can't tell any difference. You can definitely see that I went up putting the names to the outside. Don't ask, but I did. And it's not a bad looking kit. It really isn't. Now I built them just a little bit loose. You can hear that. There's supposed to be a O-ring on both sides of the captured ball, and I only ran one on each of it. So it's missing one O-ring, and that's just to allow it to be a little more responsive. At least that's what I'm hoping. So that's what my test is going to be when I get a chance to get out there and test it. Now, mind you, we're in the middle of some weird weather patterns, so it's going to be a matter of days before I can actually take it up and do any, adequate testing with it. But I believe it's going to be just fine. Let me take my old handy dandy out and just see if it may. Oh, heck yeah. Heck yeah. Flexes with no problems. Got a little bit more body roll than I'd like. And that may be because of leaving one of the O-rings out on each one of those suspension rods. But there it is, super quick. And so far I'm happy with them. They look really good to be under there like that. So, yeah. I'll call it a W. No doubt about it. W. So there we are. Super quick. Got it finished. Raining like no tomorrow right now, so I really can't get outside and do any testing. I don't have a whole lot of room on the bench right now. But I'll get some. It might be the weekend, but I won't post anything until next week. I need myself a little bit of a break after everything that I went through last week. So y'all bear with me. Get out there, enjoy your holiday weekend. Thank you guys for staying with me on this here. Remember, we still have plenty of time for you guys to get over to the other video for the TRX4M Bronco that is still, what is it right there, faithfully sealed in that box. I will try to drop a link to it somewhere around in here for you guys. Go to that video. All you got to do is like it and comment below the video. I'm in for a chance to get that. I get to 100 likes and we're going to turn that thing loose. So much love to each and every one of you. Stay happy, stay healthy, enjoy your holidays from my house to yours. We'll catch you on the next one. Later.